Word this weekend of another military move by the Trump administration, the biggest injection of U.S. ground troops into northeastern Africa in almost 2 decades. About 40 soldiers are being sent to Somalia to help fight the Al-Shabaab extremist group. U.S. Special Forces have been conducting limited operations in Somalia. The reinforcements will train Somalian soldiers as the fragile government ratchets up its offensive against the terrorists. Now, the long and vicious conflict in Somalia has created a wave of desperate people fleeing into neighboring Kenya. Tens of thousands found safe haven at one of the world's largest refugee camps. Now the Kenyan government is threatening to send them home, where they could face not only war, but starvation. Here's CTV's Melanie Nagy.
In eastern Kenya, there's a place called Dadaab. It's a sprawling refugee camp, one of the largest in the world. It's also a place the Kenyan government wants to close.
The best response is to help the refugees to return and rebuild their nation.
The camp, which is home to more than 250,000 people, was opened in 1991. It was meant to be a temporary shelter for people fleeing civil war in neighboring Somalia. Decades later, the Kenyan government says the camp has become a financial burden and security concern. Officials claim Al-Shabaab, a designated terrorist group, uses the camp to recruit new members.
We have 250 staff there.
Lisbeth Albrecht is with Doctors Without Borders. The humanitarian group has been working in Dadaab for years. She says closing the camp will create even more hardship because most residents are totally dependent on aid.
So there's no self-reliance at all because they've never been allowed to work, to move freely or to integrate.
Another problem, severe drought is sweeping across East Africa. In Somalia, it's estimated more than 6 million people don't have enough to eat.
As you can see, it's mainly women, mainly children in these communities, and they have absolutely nothing whatsoever.
With food and water lacking in their home country, most Somali refugees say they don't want to leave Dadaab.
A stunning 86% of them said they were absolutely not ready to return to Somalia.
Kenya's highest court recently blocked a proposal to shut the camp. Despite that, the government continues to insist it close and has set a goal of the end of May for residents to leave. Melanie Nagy, CTV News, Nairobi.